Hello, welcome back to another episode. We have the South Korea track, the shortest track ever. So here's the qualifiers. I need the leaderboard to show, because it never shows the leaderboard. Okay. Go. Looks like the first lap's already done. Looks like the purple car is out in the lead. Inverter. And looks like a black car's in second. And then the purple, then a black right behind. So we got the final lap of the qualifiers already. And already finished. So I got purple, 2 blacks, red, purple, red, 2 oranges, me in 9th. Then we got a green. Then a green, then 2 greens, then a pink, then a yellow, then a pink, then 2 signs, then 2 whites, then 2 blues. Time for the actual race. They're off. And it looks like the black car has the lead. Ooh, the orange and the red. And oh. What did I just say? Both reds seem to be trying to pass the purple. Yeah, I choose hard tires on this track. High durability and the pit stop on this track is super long, so yeah, I choose hard tires. And it looks like the black car is now in the lead. And the first cars have been lapped. Or not really the first cars. Ooh, the red car is now in second. Oh, we chose soft tires, that's why. The soft tires only last 7:27. Let's see what a hard tire does. 45 to 61. Wow. So we're back to the leader. And he's at the bottom of the map with a pretty big gap forward and backwards. Oh, he's actually catching up to blue, white, and cyan, and he passes already about to lap the green. Wow, they are lapping cars pretty fast. The black car is already half a lap ahead of the other black. Wow. Looks like the red went back to 4th place. Both of the purples passed him, I guess. But I don't care. Ooh, looks like there's a battle for the lead right now. Looks like the purple car managed to get out in the lead. Ooh, then the other purple car passes the black. Ooh, that red car's getting stuck behind the pink and sign right now. And it looks like the other red might pass. Yes, the other red passes. And he laps the other 2 cars too. Okay, he's actually trying to catch up to the lead. Ooh, the black cars now took the lead. Ooh, passing 5 cars in 1 turn. That is crazy. Okay, the red has passed the orange. Oh, the orange now passes the red, but the orange. Oh, the red's actually going into pit stop. So did purple. Wow, you do not want to go into pit stop. It seems like... Ooh, the purple car is now in the lead. With medium tires, but the medium tires are low too. Will he go into pit stop? Nope, he's not going, but the orange car sure is. Ooh, all of them has now chose medium or hard tires. Oh, never mind, one of them chose soft. It's about to go speeding and then go to pit stop. By the way, the next race is actually going to be different. Ooh, the leader went into the pit stop, which was the other purple car get into the lead. And of course he chose soft tires. But in the next race, medium and hard tires are going to be slower than normal, and the pit stop's also going to be slower than normal. Ooh, it looks like red cars are actually doing pretty good too. Ooh, but one of them went into the grass right there. Ooh, the purple cars are also in the competition for first place. Oh, the red car actually managed to get out into second. But then the black car and the purple car both passed. Oh, then the other black car passed the red as the red passes the black. And this time the black passes the red. The red is not catching up anymore. But the other red is. Oh, the two blacks have now gotten the lead. Oh, now the purple is passing. And then the black and the purple pass the purple. Wow, it's competition for the lead. It's like 6 cars. Oh, the red is now in the lead. What? Red was in the lead for a second? Okay, the red's about to get passed by a purple though. No, he doesn't. But he is going on the inside. But the purple car's just too fast for him. Ooh, the purple car might actually lap a purple car. Ooh, black car just passed purple. I have no clue who's in the lead. Oh, I know it. I think I know who's in the lead. It's that purple car. Whenever the leaderboard goes away, that means the purple car is nearby and it's behind the leaderboard, basically. As it seems to be lapping the cyan car. Not much chaos anymore. Except for the red cars lapping the orange cars. Oh, the red car is actually catching up to the black car, but he has some cars to triple lap or something like that. But he is slowly catching up to that black car, and he passes the black car. And then he just boosted ahead of the black car, confirming that he has fourth place. Now he's going to try to catch up to the next car, but I don't think he will. Oh, he actually has medium tires. Oh, the other black car is going on the inside, and he makes the pass, but will he confirm it by boosting ahead? No, he doesn't. The red car's still trying to get fourth place, but he takes the outside turn, which gave him a little bit of a boost, so he could go on the inside, passing the black car. And then he laps 5 cars in a row. But so is the black. The black is also catching up. And he passes, and it looks like he tried to confirm it, and he did. Oh, but the red car is still trying to catch back up. Ooh, the orange car's trying to race the red, but the red's obviously way faster. Oh, the orange is still trying. It seems like only 3 or 4 laps left on this track. And the red car is still battling with the orange for some reason. Orange is trying to block him off, but he did not do it. As the black car is now taking the lead, and the other black car is past the purple. Well, the orange car just slapped the orange. The red is getting stuck behind crowds of lapped cars. Yeah, he's probably not going to catch up. Oh, the 2 black cars have now taken the lead. Ooh, one of the red cars is trying to boost, but he's probably not going to do it. Yep. For sure, he's not doing it. Wow, when is 6th place gonna come in? Is one of these orange? No? Red? Yes, one of the reds. I think the oranges are next. One of them. Oh my gosh, we might run out of time for these cars to finish. By the way, if they don't finish in time, they'll just go by the position that they are in. Let's see, 11th place is next. I'm in 13th. Oh, there we go, the time ran out. I got 2 blacks, 2 purples, 2 reds, 2 orange, 2 greens, pink, 2 yellows, cyan, pink, pink, 2 yellows, cyan, pink, white, cyan, white, 2 blues. Then overall, we got 2 blacks, 2 purples, an orange, 2 reds, a green, an orange, a green. Me, and then another yellow. 2 pinks, 2 whites. 2 pinks, 2 cyans, 2 whites, 2 blues. Overall, we got Turbo Motorsports with 406, Bullet Racing with 366, Red Furry with 235, Energy Racing with 223, Fast Force 184, Bolt Racing 126, Thunder 111, Spark Racing 67, Blizzard Racing, no, just Blizzard, 44, Blue Star 22. That was in today's episode. Make sure you vote on what car I should be for the tournament where I race. Make sure you like, subscribe, and vote. Bye. Wait, I just pressed continue instead of the off button.